morning parents and my dear children. How are you children? I think all are fine with good health. After so many days, nearly 100 days after, we are meeting you once again in these online classes. We too miss you children a lot, but in the critical sizes there is no another alternate except these digital classes. This year we are introducing new CBSE Astrogen syllabus. This is the booklet you are having already. So many children had taken the books. See, just you open. My humble request to parents, please help your child in opening the books and guide them. This is grade 1 for first and second classes. The same book, same pattern and same books will be there in this course book, and volume 1 course book, workbook and activity book will be there. And in this course book, in this year they have 3 subjects: English, Maths and EVS. Everything will be included in this book only. Just if you open here, you can see here already they had given this introduction part, English and Mathematics and EVS. Like this you can open the book. After completing English or whatever subject the teachers will take in, after that here activity book will be there. Whatever lessons include in this course book, same activity will be here. You can open that and we will show you how to do that activity, and whatever each and everything we will explain you clearly after taking the class. After that after the activity book we will give the worksheet, how to write and everything we will explain it clearly. Here in this volumes you will have 3 volumes. In each volume you same like that only. English, Maths and EVS will be here. This is volume 1 and here volume 2. Volume 2 also will be there, same like that only, English, Maths and EVS. After that activity, after that workbook also will be here. 3 course book, and this is activity book and this is workbook. First volume 1 will come under here. Now after that GK here. GK and computer science. Here this is the GK book for them. The same Astrogen series they had given this year, the same GK book and computer book also. Here itself GK is there. We will guide you after the taking classes. We will take you and we will help the child how to open the book and what are the lessons include here. Everything we will explain you clearly after when we start the classes. This is the GK book and computer book, and this is art zone. This is art zone book they have, and here so many activities. They will do it very fun and it looks very clearly, but don't give all the books to the kids. Just whatever book we will say to open them, just to guide and show them, and at what time we will say when we are teaching the classes, just to help them see this lesson here. You open the book and see that lesson. Then they can understand. Why means they are just now they came to first class, they don't know how to open the book and they don't know how to see and everything. If you guide means they will understand clearly. And this is for 3rd standard, 4th standard and 5th standard, same pattern, but in this they have only 2 volumes and additional GK and computer. For them additional books will be given. One is workbook and I will show you how to open the books. Here English course 1, volume 1 English course book, and this is activity book and this is workbook. Here also from 3rd to 5th standard we have separate books, English, Maths and EVS, like that. Volume 1, volume 2 will be there. Here this is English, only English book. This is English textbook and this is activity book and this is workbook. Whatever lesson we will taught, in that only activity will be here in this book. After that they have to what they understand and they have to write in this workbook. Like this it will be here. Book. Here also this is Maths course book and activity book and workbook. For every here in this Astrogen, for everything activity will be there. Why means whatever we say, children don't keep that much interest while writing and reading. If they have any activity, they will understand it clearly and they know how to write and how to implement. That's why this year we have introduced these books. This is math book, course book, textbook, like that. This is activity book. Whatever we taught in that course book, here activity will be there. After activity, they have to write it in the workbook. This is EVS. This year we are introducing EVS. Last year race we have introduced, but in that science and social separate is there. But this year we are introducing here EVS. In this EVS it is course book and it is workbook and this is activity book. Every subject here, like this, 3 books will be there. In the 3rd, 4th and 5th standard, only 2 volumes are there. Just I think everyone is understanding, and again I will show you volume 2 also. This is volume 2 and this is here course book, activity book and workbook. Same volume 1, how the books were there, same like that. This volume 2 also. Here maths course book, volume 2 course book and volume 2 activity book, and this is volume 2 workbook. This is EVS, volume 2 course book, volume 2 activity book and volume 2 workbook. I think everyone understand.